Hi, this is Bill for Sparky channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to adjustable single gang and double gang boxes, electrical boxes. And the way you do it is you just screw this little screw right here, and the box goes in. Unscrew the screw, and the box comes out, and you can adjust it right where you want it. Yeah, a little bit in. There. This way your box is nice and flush with your surface. And I'm in a sink basin cabinet. I'm installing some cabinets today, and so this is some electrical for the garbage disposal. This is a 20 amp circuit, and I'll be putting a receptacle in this. But you know, when you install cabinets, you don't always know exactly where your box is going to need to come out to. You know, whether it needs to come out 3/4 inch or 1 inch or 1/2 inch or whatever. So these adjustable boxes just work great. See, that's kind of too far there. Go in and you come out just where you want it. So here's what these adjustable boxes look like. You can get them with the hardware on the top or the hardware on the side, and you can get them in double and triple gang boxes as well, and they all work on the principle that when you screw down this screw, your box goes farther back into the wall, and when you screw the screw out, the box comes farther out. So this is a particularly valuable feature when you're doing something like a kitchen sink basin and you're putting in a receptacle for a garbage disposal. And one tip when you're cutting the holes for the hot water and the cold water and for the sewage and for the receptacle is figure in how much you're going to be shimming the cabinet up. You're just going to have to make a guess because you haven't, final shimmed anything yet. But try and figure that in. If you think you're going to be shimming the cabinet up 1/4 inch, well, figure that in when you decide to make your cuts. This one's got an angle. It's coming out like that, so I needed to make like an oblong area there. These came out pretty good. This one I missed a little bit on the top, but the receptacle cover will cover that. Okay, thanks.